The beginnings of ARCS energy. Initially, it was all about fuel enhancement, but we quickly discovered that there was more to the phenomena ARCS was creating. We noticed we were generating an external electromagnetic field, which in turn was producing an event horizon, which is capable of absorbing heat, light, and energy. We took it to the extreme by using a cutting torch at 3000 degrees Celsius. The heat, light, and energy of the torch was absorbed by ARCS and meant it was unable to melt a plastic bottle that was just a few centimeters away. Even when a hand was placed close to ARCS, we noticed the flame felt cool. Subsequent tests showed the temperature was between 0 and 14 degrees Celsius. At the time of our testing, news that the automotive industry was struggling with emission control was everywhere. One of the side effects of ARCS is that it's capable of cleaning emissions from the fuel burning process. We wanted an ARCS unit that could be easily attached to a car exhaust system. For our tests, we chose a 2-litre Volkswagen Passat. It has 5 catalytic converters, all of which could be replaced by a simple ARCS unit at a fraction of the cost. The ARCS unit only uses 100 watts of power, equivalent to that of a domestic light bulb. Tests so far show that this is the maximum amount of power needed to clean a car, a power station, or indeed any industry that burns fuel. This is because ARCS is a non-thermal reaction. For our tests, we wanted to analyse the exhaust gases as they exited the car and after they had passed through ARCS, giving us before and after readings of the gases. We used Cane 5 gas analyzers, which were zero calibrated before each test. The readings are taken simultaneously, and as the car engine is switched on, you can see the pre-ARCS analyzer's oxygen levels drop and increase dramatically on the harmful emissions, whilst ARCS is maintaining a relatively stable high oxygen level and near zero harmful emissions readings. We were asked if ARCS was actually producing some other harmful gas, so we conducted an experiment using a protea spectrometer, and it can be seen that ARCS actually reduces all harmful emissions to a near zero baseline. We wanted to see what happened if we swapped analyzer inputs. And as you can see, the readings are the same as before. When the system is disabled, the analyzer readings will match after a couple of minutes as the electromagnetic field dissipates within ARCS.
Massive particulates, volatile organic compounds, eh, 81 parts per million, relative humidity and temperature up, health index alarming. Exactly the same. Within the car, it's totally pure.
We also conducted a road test using ARCS, and as you can see, we achieved the same results, even when travelling at 20, 30, 50 and 70 miles per hour, similar to that of a Myra test. ARCS can be adapted for any industry that burns fuel, enabling us to clean up the emissions they produce, putting us on the right path to counteracting the damage human industry is creating in the world. ARCS, technology that won't cost the Earth.